so there you guys go. That is what the lenses look like on my eyes. Hi, hello, my name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. If you guys are new and haven't met me before, I basically do beauty, lifestyle kind of videos, and obviously these contact lens type videos. If that is your jam, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Anyway, at this point in my videos, I normally just talk about the lenses themselves, go into detail. By the way, if you guys would like to see other reviews of Solotica lenses that I've done in the past, check out the description box down below and also the eye thing on this screen. So yeah, here are some stills of the lenses. Now, I am a big fan of Solotica Hidrocor lenses. They're always really nice and very opaque. That's why when I found out that they were going to be releasing the Gemstone collection, I was just so excited, in particular with this shade, because this one looks like a very nice deep blue, like especially when you look at the promo images. Now on my eyes, what do they look like? They are very pretty, and I personally know a couple of people that have eyes that are this shade of blue, so I was very pleased to see this actually come to life on my eyes, if that makes sense. As you guys know, I love my Quartzo lenses and, you know, my Topazio, but obviously those are kind of like your wow lenses. I was kind of looking for a nice subdued blue, and this is definitely giving me that nice subdued look, if you guys are into that. I will, however, say that this, like on the lens itself, it looks very blue, but on my eyes, as you guys saw, I have very dark reddish brown eyes. They have a slight, and I mean the slightest tinge of green. So like looking in a mirror, like the one behind the camera, it is blue, but I feel like there's a slight tint of green. I don't know, maybe that's just how the colors are interacting, you know, like the reddy brown underneath, and then the blue is just giving us a very slight hint of green. Nothing like Topazio. Topazio is like very turquoise. That's very turquoise. This is very slightly. As you guys can see in this photo, there is sort of like an outer ring effect. Not exactly a limbal ring, because limbal rings tend to be quite dark, like almost black. But the darker shade of blue is acting like a limbal ring. And then when you go closer to the center, you guys can see that it's almost like a sky blue, baby blue color. And then the pupil itself, there's a little bit of a jaggedy edge. So it kind of blends in with your natural eye color, which I don't think I've ever really noticed with other Hidrocor lenses. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've ever seen sort of like that jaggedy edge. It's usually a clean cut circle. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe different batches have different sort of like designs in the center, but so far this is really nice. I mean, today is the first day I've ever tried the Gemstone collection and this particular shade as well, but from my experience with the Hidrocor range, they tend to be quite comfortable. I find them more comfortable than the natural colors, to be completely honest. I don't know, maybe it's just my eyes. I do prefer these, and I do find that the Hidrocor lenses tend not to move around. I find that the natural colors, depending on the lens, sometimes I find that they tend to move around. Like when I say move around, you know how like when you move your eye, the lens kind of like takes a few seconds to kind of like catch up. With the Hidrocor, I feel like it just sticks on there and it just hugs the eye really well, and you don't get that movement. And as someone who relies on the prescription of the lenses as well, sometimes that few second delay can kind of give me a bit of a headache. So I never find that with the Hidrocor lenses. Like I've had so many Hidrocor lenses in the past, and I've never experienced that problem. Yeah. In terms of comfort, obviously I can't really tell you because this is my first time trying it out, but based on my experience with the Hidrocor lenses, I can wear them up to 6 hours without my eyes going quite bloodshot. I think my eyes may be a little bit red at the moment, but that's because I've got allergies happening at the moment. It's spring here in Australia. But yeah, I think if you guys are on the hunt for a nice blue, like a true blue contact lens, check out Safira. I think it's really nice. It's nice and subtle. I know sometimes Solotica lenses can be quite bam in your face. This is definitely not one of those. This is on the more subtle. This is definitely on the subtler side of things. And yeah, I like it. I can't wait to film a tutorial using this. And by the way, if you guys would like to see how these lenses look on me when I'm wearing makeup, check out my Instagram. I'll have a couple of looks by the time this video goes up, or if not in the next few days. But yeah, if you guys would like to purchase these lenses, I do have an affiliate code. So yes, I do make some money off it. You don't have to use it, but I really appreciate it if you guys would use it. So it basically gives you 10% off any orders you make on Vision Marketplace. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you you guys would like to see my other reviews on my other Solotica lenses and other coloured contact lenses I've reviewed in the past, check out the description box down below. Also the eye on the screen and maybe these cards on the screen as well. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!